Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Anamika and I'm going to be answering the most common question that you guys ask me. So yeah, it's about hostel or PG and I personally prefer PG. Oh my god, it's raining. I'll stand a little bit here. I personally prefer PG because in hostel you have to pay one yearly fees together, like 1 lakh plus, and then also it's kind of strict. You have curfew, and then if you get the right friends, it's fine. If you find the right people and all, it's going to be so fun and it's going to be nice. But then if it's like you're lonely, but if you're coming to hostel, you will make friends. It's going to be nice itself. But yeah, I prefer PG. Well, it's up to you guys. I can't be like making you force and come to PG. So it's up to you guys. So I prefer PG because you will have your personal space. I am into sharing room and I have a roommate, and we share one washroom. So it's like we understand each other and we have a mutual understanding. So it's nice. It's fun. So in PG, you will have curfew. It's 10 p.m. But then you can let the owner know, and you can come late and all, it's fine, but you have to let them know. And other thing is hostel is going to be more strict about curfew and all. If you have to write your name, and wherever you're going you have to come and write your back and all those. But PGs will all, my PG has, they'll come and check at night if you're there in room, and if you're not there in room, the owner will come text you and be like, did you inform? If you didn't inform, you're gonna get caught. If you did inform, it's fine. Yeah, they're not going to tell your parents and all about it. People did ask me about how to make friends. Guys, I am not sure. I do have great friends. I do have great friends. I have like a very good friend group, and I'm happy about that. That's why I'm going to tell you. That's why my college life is great. So people are telling me, is Kristu Jayanti strict? Is Kristu Jayanti bad? How is your Kristu Jayanti experience and all? Like how is your Kristu Jayanti's university experience till now? So basically, it's not going to be same for everyone. I had great friends, and I did not have lot of problems, in class wise also, because I did listen to class, I did listen to teachers, I did score good marks, I did study well. I did came for studying, and I have my own goal, and all those motivation and all. So if you come to study and all, it's going to be great. And so for me personally, it was a nice experience. I came from UAE and I want to experience new, I want to experience independence and like new environment and all. And I like it. I like this college. It's like full of greenery, and yeah, yeah. It's no one is here right now because everyone went for vacation, and I was here for internship. So I'm going to be going tomorrow. So I'm making this video for you guys. Classes are going to start, and I know you guys are asking me so much questions, and my Instagram is filled with DMs, and I'm so busy answering them every second. I know you guys have a lot of doubt, and I know even for me it was same, but I didn't have anyone to ask any of those doubts. So I'll be helping you guys no matter what. So for me, my personal experience with Kristu Jayanti is I had great friends. That's why my college life was good, and it's not going to be same for everyone. But if you have great friends, and if you have you can participate in extracurricular activities, just don't be an introvert and be like not participate in anything, because if you're not participating in anything, you will not be known to the department, and you won't be going to any extracurricular fest and all. So there is a lot of fest and events happening, so you won't be get selected if you are like an introvert. So you have to be an extrovert, and not extrovert, you have to participate. You have to, if you like the thing, if you want to do it, you have to participate. Even though if you don't like or if you don't know, just be confident enough that you'll be like, yeah, I have to try it out. And no matter if you fail or not, it's going to be a very good experience. So yeah, that was my life in Kristu Jayanti University. So guys, about hostel, I got a lot of messages saying that is hostel compulsory? It is not compulsory, to be honest, but then they will tell you it is compulsory, and that is how it is. It's up to you, to be honest. If you can't stay in hostel, just it's fine. I didn't want to stay in hostel, and I told my mom. She was like, you can stay in PG, and I was staying in PG from first year. They won't be asking you many questions like, where do you stay, what is the address and all. Every PGs will have a form to fill, where you have to write about your guardian, you have to like all those, everything will be perfectly done by the PG. So it's fine. I got a form also. I was given to fill a form. Yeah. I know it's raining so nice. I like it. My cameraman doesn't like it. He wants to go back. But I have to do it for you guys. I might buy him some thing and he might be okay. No, he's not. And the PGs will give you a form and you have to fill all the details and it's going to be fine. So it's not so strict or compulsory. It's up to you guys. If you can face the consequences, like, you know, I don't think there will be anything. But yeah, it's not compulsory. You know, it's up to you guys. Yeah. If you want to know more or if you have any doubts, you can comment down below. I'll be answering to all of your questions until next. Or you can comment and you can text in my Instagram also. So if you want to know more about anything else, you can comment down below. And it's raining, guys. I'm kind of stuck here. So bye bye.